Welcome to my another new video. Today I'll discuss about keeping tabs on the Excel ribbon. The very first time you launch Excel 2013 and open a new workbook, the ribbon contains the following 7 tabs. Seven tabs. Proceeding from left to right. Proceeding from left to right. First, Home tab. Use this tab when creating. Use this tab when creating, formatting, and editing a spreadsheet. Editing a spreadsheet. This tab is arranged into the clipboard. This tab is arranged into the clipboard. Font, alignment, number, styles, cells, and editing groups. Then Insert tab. Use this tab when adding particular elements including graphics, pivot tables, charts, hyperlinks, and headers and footers. To a spreadsheet. This tab is arranged into the tables illustration, apps, charts, reports, spark lines, filter, links, text, and symbol groups. Third, page layout. Use this tab when preparing a spreadsheet for printing, or recording, or graphics on the sheet. This tab is arranged into the themes. Page setup, scale to fit, sheet options, and arrange groups. Then fourth option, formulas. Use this tab when adding formulas and functions to a spreadsheet, or checking to a spreadsheet or checking a worksheet for formula errors. Formula errors. This tab is arranged into the function library. This tab is arranged into the function library. Define names. Define names. Formula editing. Formula auditing. And calculation groups. And calculation groups. Note that this tab also contains a solutions group, a solution group when you activate certain add-in programs. When you activate certain add-in programs such as conditional sum and euro currency tools, see euro currency tools. First, we discuss Home tab. Use this tab when creating, formatting and editing a spreadsheet. This tab is arranged into the clipboard, font alignment, number, styles, cells and editing groups. Then Insert tab. Use this tab when adding particular elements including graphics, pivot tables, charts, hyperlinks and header and footers to a spreadsheet. This tab is arranged into the tables, illustration, apps, charts, reports, sparklines, filter, links, text and symbol groups. Then Page layout. Page layout. Use this tab when preparing a spreadsheet for printing or recording graphics on the sheet. This tab is arranged into the themes, page setup, scale to fit, sheet options and arrange groups. Then formulas. Use this tab when adding formulas and functions to a spreadsheet or checking a worksheet for formulas errors. This tab is arranged into the function library, define names, formula auditing, and calculation groups. Note that this tab also contains a solutions group. When you activate certain adding programs such as conditional sum and euro currency tools. So this is part 1